everyone, this is Lisa from Pisgah Forest Gem Mine, located in Hendersonville, North Carolina on Main Street, or in Pisgah Forest, North Carolina. We are here today with lesson number 3 from our educational series that we're doing each day, Monday through Friday. So please check our Facebook page to find those, along with some how to gem mine at home and how to gold pan at home videos. Today, we are going to have a special guest, Daryl, who is also from Pisgah Forest Gem Mine, is going to be talking to you about pyrite versus real gold. Can you tell the difference? But before we do that, since we're the only ones in the store, we've got to switch cameras. So hold on just a moment while I take the camera and Daryl takes over.
Hey everybody. Hope that didn't make you seasick. Okay, today we're going to talk about pyrite versus gold. Now, pyrite is something that if you're gem mining in our regular buckets, you can find in most of the buckets. It comes in a couple of different forms, and you'll see in your bucket a lot of times pyrite that looks like this. It looks like a clump of rock that's really shiny. I don't know if you can see that really well. It's got a lot of little crystals on it. You might also find it like this. It doesn't look like it's natural, but it is. This is the way God designed this crystal to grow. It grows in cubes. I don't care how small or how big it is, pyrite always grows in cubes. In fact, if you take this piece and you put it under a magnifying glass where you can see the individual crystals, you'll see that each one of them is a cube. There may be thousands or millions of them, but they're all cubes. So that's something unique to this mineral pyrite. We find it here in North Carolina. Most of what you'll find in our buckets come from Peru and Italy, but it's a pretty cool mineral. It's called fool's gold because it's gold. Your parents may remember on Little House on the Prairie when the kids found a whole bunch of gold and thought they were rich, and it ended up being pyrite in their bucket. So they didn't get anything, they were fooled. Around here in the mountains, you might also find something like this that's really shiny, possibly like this that we found up near Looking Glass Rock. See how shiny it is? It's not gold either, it's mica. And mica is very plentiful here in the mountains. It is not gold, but it's shiny and sometimes will trick you. These are even better tricksters right here because we found these and they have, you can see the pink parts, red parts. They have garnets embedded in them, which is a natural gemstone that you see here locally, along with sapphires and emeralds. So that's our pyrite, and pyrite is a rock. It's a mineral. Gold is also a mineral, but it's a malleable mineral. And if you're going gold panning, let me show you really quick how you're going to do it. I'm not going to take time to do all the panning because I've got another video online on Facebook here that you can go to. But this is a classifier, and if you got sand in it, you just shake it through like this and get going. And if you find pyrite, look at that. Somebody's trying to fool the old professor. Somebody's done put a cube of pyrite and then a nugget of pyrite in there. So let's see what looks different. If you look through a pan and you've been working really hard and diligent, this is what you're going to find. Now these are small nuggets, different size nuggets that you can find in a pan. You can also find this in North Carolina. We're going to talk about that in just a minute. This is usually what you'll find. They call it placer gold. It's small, but it's really heavy. It sits in the bottom of the pan. And if you look, you can see the difference just in the color from the pyrite and the gold. So it's apart from each other. It's hard to tell apart, but you tell them the difference. But together, you can see it really easy. So I don't know if you know about the gold rush that happened in the United States in 1848. It was in California. The big gold rush was not the first gold rush. The very first gold rush happened in North Carolina, started in Cabarrus County with a gentleman named Mr. Reed that found a 17-pound gold rock, which is about this big. Started a gold rush here that ran from Rutherford all the way here to Hendersonville and Brevard and Pisgah Forest. Went till about 1800, 1810, and it started fading out as they started finding gold out in California. So if anybody ever asks you where the first gold rush happened, give it up for North Carolina. We were the first. We are actually what got gold on the map in the United States and got us on the way to becoming a superpower. So that's something besides the Wright brothers in flying that we have that we can take claim on. Couple of things I want to show you. Back to pyrite and gold. Pyrite, we have things in our store. If you like pyrite that you can get that have little pewter mint on them, they're really cool little gifts that you can have mail ordered or you can pick up here at the store. They're really pretty with pyrite. You can also get things like these little gold bottles. It's real gold in here. They beat it out in really thin sheets, cut it up, put it in alcohol, and it puffs up like that. So it looks like a lot of gold. It's not really, but it's really pretty. It'll never change colors. So you can get those. You can also get the golden keychains. If you don't like keychains, or your name's not Alex, maybe you'd like one with gemstones in it. It looks like it should have put one for Dad in there, not Mom, since this is for me. But anyway, we have your name. We can mail those, or you can pick those up also. We sell gemstone bags, or I'm sorry, gold bags that you can take with you or pick up or get mail ordered, sorry. We call them the Prospector and the Old Timer. We'd be glad to mail those to you. They look like this. So if you're bored and you're at home and you're wanting something to do, have your parents talk to you about gold mining. Get a bag, have some fun. If you don't want to do that, don't forget that we have gemstone bags that are mailed out. If you have a sweet tooth, we also have jelly bellies that we'll be glad to pack up and send to you. So I'm Daryl from Pisgah Forest Gem Mine. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned a little bit about pyrite and gold. If you have any questions, give me a call. If you would like to order something, you can call us. Our number is 828-367-8330. I almost gave you my personal cell phone number. Wow. You can also look at us at www.pfgems.com. Come see us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.